morning, sir. Good morning, classmate. I'm Adrian Manaloto. I'm the leader of Group 1. And this is Jared. I am the second reporter of Group 4. And this is Arwen.
I'm the third reporter of Group 1.
This is Aidan. I'm the fourth reporter of Group 1. This is Nigel.
Nigel Garcia, the second last reporter.
This is Kelly Sabino.
I'm Kelly Sabina, the last reporter.
Robin Mumbai.
And I'm the last reporter.
And today I discuss financial performance report, budget by income for this financial for the year and ended 2024 to 2025 and 2026. Adjusted financial data, particular 2024, 2025, 2026. Revenue. Do you know what is revenue? One point the revenue is dental.
A business earns profit in the dollar.
Yes, cost and operating expenses.
The money
Projected net income. Bagaimana?
So what is that table number 8? So what you are reporting right now is the table number 8 under finalizable weighted business plan. So what is table number 8 now?
The table number is projected financial data.
Again? The table number 8. What is table number 8 now?
Projected income.
That is projected income statement. So when we talk about projected income statement, those are the particulars, the revenue, the less cost and operating expenses. When we say less cost and operating expenses, what does it mean by that?
Less than your yung magagastos mo sa
So meaning to say, tatanggalin mo dyan yung ginastos mo, binayaran mo, and also how about operating expenses? Anong ibig sabihin ng operating expenses? Operating expenses means, okay, Chantal?
revenue expenses.
Yes. Okay. So, pagka sinabi natin projected income, anong ibig sabihin?
yung inasahan mo.
Ah?
Inasahan mo.
Inaasahan mong kita. So, what do you think? Is that table very important in the finalized evaluated business plan? Why?
Kasi hindi ko malaman kahit yung magagastos siya yung kita naman.
Okay, very good. Sige.
Next reporter is Jared Cortez.
Tell me, my classmates, have you all watched SpongeBob? Yes! Tell me, when I say, are you ready? You say, aye, Captain. Are you ready? Aye, Captain! I can't hear you! Aye, Captain! Okay, let's start my report. What is cash equity? Can anyone volunteer to tell me what is the meaning of cash equity? Anyone? Please. Okay, now what? Cash equity is like money the owner has spent on the business before the business has finally started selling. Tell me, can you repeat what I have said? Anyone? No one?
Maybe one more. Make it loudly and slowly so that they can simply absorb what is being discussed. Okay, please listen. Class.
Cash equity is is like the money the owners have spent before starting the business on like ingredients, advertisement, and such. Now, anyone? Abia. Okay, thank you. Anyone else?
King.
The money that the owner spent before starting the business.
Tell me an example of cash equity. Like, example, sir.
Buying the ingredients and advertisements.
Okay, thank you. Let's proceed to loan proceeds. Loan is like the money the owners have borrowed. It's not that great because you still have to pay it. Unlike cash equity where it's your own money, so you don't have to worry about repayment, tax schedules, and such. Tell me, do you already know what a loan is? If you know, then tell me what it is. True! Tell me what is a loan.
Parang utang.
Explain. Explain more.
Money.
Okay, Chantal.
Yung pera mo sa ibang tao.
Okay, thank you. Does anyone else would like to answer? Abia.
The money galing from someone
Okay, thank you. Now, cash sales. Well, this is zero because we haven't started the business because we are still in the pre-operating phase. And that's all for my report.
Any question in regards to the report?
What about you, sir? Do you have any questions?
I don't have any question. It is loud and clear, and I am very much impressed on what you performed on your report. Okay, so very good with that. That's it, perfect. So, do you think? Last question. Do you think it is a very important also in the finalized evaluated business plan?
Sir?
What is the importance of your report in the finalized evaluated business plan?
It helps us buy the ingredients before the business even starts, so we can already be prepared for whatever happens. If there are unexpected variables, unexpected hiccups, bumps on the business plan, and the likes.
Very good. Okay.
I introduce Arvin Calzalega as the third reporter.
Alright, handa na ba kayo? Hindi ba kayo? Ebek muna, ebek! Ang report ko ay tungkol sa total cash inflow. So, ang total cash inflow is the total amount of money received by the business during specific period. So, do you have any questions about this? Alright, let's move on. Alright, can you read the operation money? Hey, Cholo, can you read it?
Primary choices comes from the owner's investment cash activity and the loan proceeds used to start the business.
Okay. Do you have any ideas? Ay, Arturo, you start.
How much you spend before you start the business?
It's like the investment and the loan received. Yes.
There is no such thing that you could say how much is the capital. It depends on the business that you are about to establish. Right? You are asking how much is the capital. Tama? So you cannot simply ask how much is the capital. It depends on the business that you are about to establish. Go.
Next is the year one. The year one is 9,079,440 and is the expected cash received in for sales.
So what you are discussing right now is the total report of the total cash inflow by the, what pandesal is that? Chase pandesal. Okay, go.
Right. The year two is 1,424,300,000. So, do you want to read the cash flow? Hey, Kurema.
Okay.
So, what is meant by cash inflow? What is meant by cash inflow?
This means increase because the business expect.
The profit that you are expecting. All right. Sige.
So, what's the highest part of the cash inflow? Year 3. Dito. Angela. Did you read it?
The highest projected cash drawing that
So meaning to say, through that table, through that cash inflow, you could simply determine what year is the most productive year. Right? So dyan mo makikita kung alin dyan yung kung saan ka umangat, kung saan ka bumaba. So that is the importance or the use of that cash inflow.
Alright, our total cash inflow is every year, which means the business expects to earn more money from its operation and sales. So, do you have any questions about that? Alright, let's move on in last statement. Hey! Let me call Litan, the next report.
Good morning everyone, my name is Litan Liunanan. Is outflow, cash outflow. Yan yung pumapasok na pera sa business nila every year. So pataas na pataas, nadadagdagan din yung income na hindi nilang bayaran, yung expenses na hindi nilang bayaran. Kumbaga yan na yung all-in na income nila. So maganda naman yung result. Pwede silang another branch na business.
So meaning to say, Tan, sa pamamagitan ng cash outflow na yan, dyan mo makikita yung report kung ano ang naging result ng business mo or ng business operation mo, in which you could simply determine or measure what could be the date or what could be the year, what could be the one to adjust. No, makikita mo dyan kasi yan na yung report eh. Yan na yung outflow. Ang outflow kasi yung palabas eh. No? Yung mga perang lumalabas, saan ba pumupunta yan? So that is your report. So makikita natin dyan kung saan naka-assign mga pera kung saan pumupunta.
Let's go on. Next reporter, Elisa.
Okay, very good, Tan.
Morning everyone, my name is Kelly P. Santino and this is my report, long-term desired outcomes. Who can read this? Christian.
In the long run, these disband services aim to build intelligence and use household systems when working on markets and design.
Who understand the long-term desired outcomes? In the long the long run is these fund services aim to build steady jobs and raise household income while supporting local farmer and supplier. Sino nakaintindi ng binasa ko?
So, ano daw yung naiintindihan nyo sa binasa niya? So what is reporting right now is the long-term desired outcomes. So what does it mean sabihin by long-term desired outcomes? Anong ibig sabihin niyan? What does it mean by long-term desired outcomes?
Kung gaano makakabaya mo sir?
Ano ang ibig sabihin ng long-term desired outcome? Yes? Okay? Chantal? And then after that, kaya ikaw?
Yung goals mo for the business was to achieve it.
Okay, pwede. Next. Very good. How about the next one? Another answer from you? Katabi ni Chantal? Sabihin mo. Just make it louder. Again, yung? Okay, sa long-term desired outcomes, yan yung in-expect result mo na isusustain mo, na i-maintain mo yung laki ng kinita mo, yung naging income mo, itutuloy mo lang siya, i-maintain mo kung paano mo pa siya palalaguin, kung paano mo pa siya palalakihin. Okay.
Okay. I will line there the next reporter.
Good day everyone, my name is Daniel Garcia. I'm the second to the last reporter. Today, I report emotional impact in the community. Anyone here to report? Absolutely.
This gives affordable warm food that families, students, and elders can enjoy. It also keeps our beloved Filipino pandesal tradition alive.
Anong naiintindihan niyo sa pinagsasabi? Anyone?
This is the tradition to be Filipino in Denmark.
Okay, naging ano na natin kasi, naging traditional na, no? Pagka umaga, mga Pilipino, talaga, pandesal kaagad. Okay, Arturo?
And this is affordable and this is our traditional bread.
Anyone have a question?
Okay, sige, next.
Let's go to the last reporter. Flowing to the
Good morning, everyone. So my report is business impact in the community. First, who can read my machines? Before I discuss my report, what is your idea or ano ba yung naiintindihan nyo when you hear the business impact in the community? Anyone have an idea? Business impact in the community, ito yung tumutukoy kung paano ba pinagbabago or pinapalago yung negosyo ng isang tao. At nakakatulong dito sa community to give work for other people para hindi na sila lumayo sa town nila, hindi na sila mag-ibang bansa or what. And it's also helping the community na mag-grow since kailangan tulong, kailangan ng employees, kailangan ng and it's also a big good for the Filipinos since tinatangkilik ng mga Filipino yung own products natin. And sinusupport natin at magiging partner siya ng producer and culture natin. So, that's it. That is my report. Thank you for listening.